How to rename a Discord channel. Want to update your channel names to keep things fresh and organized? Renaming a channel on Discord is super easy. I will show you how in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First things first, open the Discord app or go to discord.com in your browser. Now, open your Discord server. Go to the server that has the channel you want to rename. Look at the text or voice channel you want to rename in the left sidebar. On desktop, right-click the channel name. On mobile, tap and hold the channel name. From the menu that appears, click or tap Edit Channel. In the channel settings, update the name field with your new channel name. Click Save Changes on desktop or the check mark on mobile to apply the new name. And that's it, your channel has a fresh new name. Keep your server organized and easy to navigate. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.